You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making namjim seafood, a versatile dipping sauce best on different kinds of seafood, but goes great on really anything. Let's get started. I've doubled the recipe here, that's why it looks like a lot. I put the sauce on everything. When I was really young, I'd eat this sauce with rice and cucumbers alone. This would also make a great steak sauce. It tastes good on so many different things. Adjust the flavors to your liking. Here we have it, namjim seafood. It's spicy, sour, savory, followed by a bit of sweetness, and coats everything that you put it in nicely. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.